I will quickly show you how to check RAM type in your laptop or PC in Windows. Before you upgrade your RAM, stop. Because if you install the wrong type of RAM, DDR3, DDR4, or DDR5, your PC might not even turn on, and you just wasted your money. I'll show you 3 simple methods. Just pick whichever works best for you. First method, using command prompt. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, and hit Enter. Now type this command as shown on the screen or copy it from the description below. Then press Enter. You'll see a number on your screen. 24 means DDR3, 26 means DDR4, 34 means DDR5. Mine shows 26. It means RAM installed on my laptop is DDR4. If this doesn't work for you, don't worry. Try the next method. Second method, using PowerShell. Go to Start menu, search for PowerShell, and open it. Now type this command as shown on the screen or copy it from the description below. Press Enter. Again, match the number. 26 is DDR4. If this still looks confusing, don't worry. The next method is the easiest one. Third method, and honestly, the easiest one. Open Google and search for CPUZ download. And open this website. Click here to download. Now install the software and open it from desktop or from Start menu. Then go to the Memory tab. And right there, it clearly shows your RAM type, DDR3, DDR4, or DDR5. No guessing. And remember, you cannot mix different RAM types. So always check this before upgrading, or you might waste your money. Comment if it worked for you, and follow for more simple tech tips like this.